Welcome to Power BI certification question series, and this is the row number 6, and the question is related to the row level security. So let's see the question. Alright, so question is why row level security is applied. First option is or I should say where, not why. So please read it like where row level security is applied. A, at visual level, B, at data level, C, at model or the data model level, or last option is the data transformation level. So this is for a beginner, it will be a little bit difficult, but those who have worked with the row level security will know these answers for sure. But if you don't know, make sure you do a little bit of research. And if you want to attempt more questions like this, then what you can do is get this Power BI certification series, which I have designed it for 60 questions, which is the test your skills within the Power BI at various different levels like Power BI service, data transformation, DAX, and so on and so forth. A mix of questions to really test your skills into the Power BI as a certification. So link for this is present in the description. There you can go ahead and buy it. Along with that, couple of other links to join my group, as well as to where I keep all of my videos. All of those links are present in the details. So make sure you check those out and get the desired information for you. With that, thank you so much. I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.